वेलकम टू स्टॉक्स पावर यूट्यूब चैनल। आप सभी का स्टॉक्स पावर यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। सो टुडेज न्यूज़ इज़ अबाउट PIF एंड रिलायंस रिटेल डील। अबाउट PIF एंड रिलायंस रिटेल डील. So what is PIF? PIF is Saudi Public Investment Fund. So PIF मतलब सऊदी पब्लिक इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड और रिलायंस के बीच डील हुई थी, उसके बारे में न्यूज़ है। सो सऊदी फंड टू बाय 2.04 इन रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री यूनिट फॉर रुपीज़ 9,555 करोड़। जो सऊदी इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड है, जो 2.04% रिलायंस में यूनिट फॉर यूनिट फॉर रुपीज़ 9,555 crore. Saudi is going to buy fund in Reliance unit. Okay, so this is news about Reliance today, and we will check. We have given yesterday the levels for stocks and Nifty and Big Nifty. Just check out the levels has worked very fine and very good. So all the levels are fantastic, so go and check in yesterday's video. So we'll see today's levels also. So we'll go ahead. So today's market, we'll check today's market. So Sensex had rised up by 724 points, which is 1.78% up to 41,340, which has went past 41,000. So Nifty 50 has rised by 211.80 points, which has 1.78. Sensex and Nifty has risen 1.78%. Approximately Nifty has went past 12,000. So Nifty has broke the resistance of 12,000, which was most important resistance. So it has broke the resistance and it went past 12,120. So Nifty Bank has also went past 26,000, has risen by 541.50 points, which is 2.10%. So we'll see top gainer and top loser of today's market. So top gainers are Hindelco, which has risen by 10.85 point, which is 6.15% gainer, top gainer in today's Nifty 50 stock. And SBI is second stock, which is trading at 218.65, and it has risen by 11.65 and 5.63%. IndusLand banking sector was good also today, as past week we have checked. To trade raise banking sector has worked well. IndusLand Bank has risen by 36 points with 5.36% up. Tata Steel has risen by 21.60% up with 5.35%. So we will check top loser. Top losers are Hero MotoCorp and HDFC Life. Hero MotoCorp have fallen down 23 point down, which is less, means 0.80. So today there were more advances than declines. Declines were just 400 to 450 were declines, and others were just 1000, I think 900 or 1000 were advances company. So HDFC Life has fallen 2 points just. So check in Nifty 50 stock. So we'll check the levels of the stock for tomorrow. Okay, intraday levels for stock for tomorrow. So be in video till last and check our yesterday's levels and see today's market. You will get to know everything. So if you like this channel, if you are liking these videos and levels, please subscribe our channel, and I will be not responsible for trades taken by you. So I am not SEBI registered. So try to take trade on your own, take advice from your advisor, and then take it trades. So first one is Axis Bank. Axis Bank has made today rally, has given rally today. So buy above 531 with stop loss of 527. Okay, keep stop loss at 527 and buy above 531, and sell below 525 with stop loss of 530. So go on selling Axis Bank below 525 with stop loss of 530. Mostly the stocks will rise, so it will go on buying, but we will see. If it's open below 530 or 525, go on selling with stop loss of 530. So we'll see in charts also. We'll go further. So Axis Bank charts we'll see. Axis Bank has opened above resistance one. Check here. So after opening above resistance, it has formed hammer candle pattern. Check out hammer candle pattern. First, totally this 4 days the Axis Bank has gone for buying as Bank Nifty has raised up about more than 2000 to 2500 points. So Axis Bank is banking stock. So yesterday it made doji candle. After that doji candle, now today it made hammer candle. So we have kept stop loss here below this hammer candle. And so Axis Bank has hammer candle. So we'll check here. So if it opened below this, it can go down. So check the levels I have given and trade with that levels with your advisor. Ask your advisor to advise you. So we'll check next stock. Tata India. So buy above 1345 with stop loss of 1335 and sell below 1335 with stop loss of 1345. So Bata India has got resistance. It will look if you are buying that you have got support below, and if you are selling then you have got resistance upside. So we'll check on chart where is support and resistance for Bata India. So check Bata India. Bata India has got upstairs pivot. So pivots will work as resistance. If it is opening above this pivot, it can go upstairs with this stop loss. If it opens below, then it can go downside with pivot stop loss. Pivot will act as stop loss if it open above or below. It is a more strong support or resistance for Bata India here. So still we have given stop loss of this. So try to trade in selling side more. So we'll check next stock also. So Reliance, there was news on Reliance today. So it has also started rallying in this week. Last yesterday and today it had rallied. So it opens above 1935, buy with stop loss of 1930. So it has opened gap up. So you go on buying above 1935 means 1935 with stop loss of 1930. If opens below 1930, then sell with stop loss of 1935. So Reliance has got news about PIP and Reliance Retail deal, which Saudi public investment is going to buy 2% of share, 2% of fund, going to invest 2% of fund in Reliance Retail. So we will check charts of Reliance where it has support and resistance. So check Reliance. Reliance has opened above this. Today Reliance has opened gap up above the support one. So Reliance can move till pivot this week or next week. So this is a doji candle, or we can say doji candle because or hammer can no timer because they is small thing. So we can let it be that. I will teach you later about candlestick pattern. But this is if it I have given stop loss of this support. If it is opening above this support, it can go upstairs. If it open below gap down, then it can go down because there is news about in Reliance, so it can be go upstairs in buying. So we'll check other stock. So M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. So it is trading at 602. So sell below 605 with stop loss of 610 because M&M has got resistance upside. So if it open above that, gap up opening is happening in M&M, then it can go upstairs. But if it opens below 605, then sell your stop loss of 610 and buy above 620 with stop loss of 610. Okay, if it open above gap up above 615 or 620, then with stop loss of 610 you can go on buying. We'll check in charts. So M&M is trading at 602. So above is pivot here. So if it opens above this pivot, it can go upstairs. But if open flat it can take here resistance. So I have given stop loss of this 610 above pivot, so you can trade. If it is open flat or open below, then keep stop loss of this 610. If it is opening above, then keep stop loss here and go on buying. So we will check other levels also, Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. So Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. So Nifty and Bank Nifty levels are working good as our support and resistance, which we are seeing in our charts every day. So Nifty has opened gap up above the resistance. So we'll check levels in charts. So for Bank Nifty, resistance 2 is here. So check at what 26,600 and 26,650 will work as a strong resistance for Bank Nifty. It can take their resistance support and can come down. So it can come down after that. So at top, try to sell. So you will get good points over here. So there is more space here. So if it is opening above this R2, it can go upstage. But if it open flat, then it can take here resistance, Bank Nifty. So there is more gap down, so it can come down. If it is opening flat. If it open gap up, then it can go upstage, can broke support, because Nifty is above resistance, so it can be strong for Bank Nifty, that it can break this resistance also. So we'll check Nifty's. So here is Nifty. Nifty has broke R1 gap up. It had open gap up and went upstage. So if it open on flats, it can take support at resistance 1 and can bounce back to R2. So if it opening gap down, it can come down. So this will act more strong support and resistance for Nifty. So Bank Nifty is below resistance 2. It can take so Nifty will be slow for some time here. So resistance 2 is very long near at wait, we'll check where is resistance 2 for Nifty. So 12,350 is will work as resistance. So there is 200 points above, so it can work. Tomorrow Nifty can be positive if it opens flat. It can take support at resistance 2. So check Apollo Hospital yesterday I gave. This is working as most strong resistance for Apollo Hospital. So it did not break that, it came down. So good points, it gave good points. So we'll check Asian Paint. I gave Asian Paint also yesterday. So Asian Paint has a support, right? Asian Paint has support here. So I gave a stop loss. It went upstage. So this was our level. So we gave buy above this level. So it went upstage. So check the levels how I am checking, and you can try to trade more. So LT we told to buy above 935. It went to high. Check here, it went high at 960. So this was good levels which we gave yesterday. So if you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe our channel to get more informative videos about share market and strategies about share market. So thank you for seeing the video, and best of luck for you further trading.